Welcome to another episode in our affiliate marketing tutorial series. Confused about which commission model is better, CPA or revenue share? Let's simplify that by breaking down the pros and cons of each, so you can choose what actually fits your goals. CPA versus revenue share. Which model should you choose? Affiliate programs generally pay in two ways. CPA, cost per action. You earn a one-time payment when someone signs up, buys, or takes a specific action. Revenue share. You earn a percentage of what your referral spends, often monthly, as long as they stay. Why this matters? Choosing the right model affects your entire affiliate strategy. If you want fast wins, CPA might be better. If you're building long-term income, revenue share is the smarter play. Sometimes the best choice is to mix both, depending on the niche and product. Want a step-by-step system? Head over to website.fm. It walks you through choosing topics, creating content, and building a profitable affiliate site from scratch. Link in description box below. If you found this helpful, hit like, follow for more affiliate marketing tips, and I'll catch you in the next video.